If your dental lab insurance renewal went up again, even though you've had no claims, I know that's frustrating. Let me break it down. Coming up, 3 quick wins. Number 1, why your dental lab insurance went up even though you had 0 claims. Number 2, what actually changed on your renewal so you're not guessing. And number 3, what to do next so you lower costs without getting burned by a bad comparison. And you're thinking about shopping it, I'll give you the exact checklist I walk business owners through before they panic shop quotes. Whether your dental lab insurance renewal is a business owner's policy or a commercial package policy with liability and property, the same few issues usually cause the increase. So, ask one question. Is this an across-the-board dental lab rate increase, or did something on my policy change? This is one of the most common reasons for commercial insurance premiums to increase, especially on business owner's policy, also called BOP insurance. The most common answer is this. A lot of dental labs think insurance companies randomly increase pricing, but usually there's a reason tied to claim trends, audits, inflation guards, or overall commercial insurance rates. Insurance company pricing is basically 2 buckets. Number 1, the cost to run the insurance company. Employees, systems, offices, underwriting, billing, customer service, everything it takes to operate a business just like yours. Number 2, the cost of claims. All the payouts they're making when stuff goes wrong. A lot of claims are legit, but we all know some are not. That fraud hurts you, it hurts me in the form of higher rates. And when those buckets go up, carriers just don't guess. They go to the state insurance department and say, here's our premium income, here's our investment income, and here's our cost. We need a rate increase. And the state can say yes or no or counter. The state's job is to strike a balance between customers not getting gouged and carriers making a reasonable profit so the whole system doesn't collapse. And sometimes all the carriers go to the state with their hat in hand asking for more money on dental labs because dental labs across the state had a rough year. Other times, it's not all the dental labs. It's that the carrier's underwriting wasn't that great. The good climb into the same bucket, and suddenly all the carriers' dental lab rates jump. So yeah, you did nothing wrong. You just got stuck with the wrong pool. Reason number 2, sales audit. We're going to check your numbers after the year is over, and then we decide if you owe us more money. This type of insurance audit or gross receipts audit catches a lot of dental labs off guard during the commercial insurance renewal. When the policy starts, the carrier's prices are based upon your gross receipts, basically your sales, usually an estimate based upon last year's sales. On many auditable policies, the carrier estimates those numbers up front, then checks the actual numbers match what the carrier's estimate was for the last 12 months. If your actual sales were higher than what they priced you on, you get a bill. In insurance carrier's eyes, more sales equal more risk of something going wrong and a claim. So, there's 3 fast checks. Number 1, is my BOP or package policy rated on gross receipts? Sales. Number 2, what sales number did they use? Last year's sales or an estimate? And number 3, did the audit already happen or is it coming? Now that's sales. Next is the values. Reason number 3 has nothing to do with sales, has nothing to do with claims. It's the carriers automatically increasing equipment and property limits every year to keep up with inflation, especially on commercial property insurance, equipment coverage, and other parts of the business owner's policy, which sounds reasonable until you look up and realize they've insured you way more than you actually need. And here's the kicker. You're paying premium those higher numbers. So ask this, what's my inflation guard percentage? What are my current equipment and property limits? And do these numbers still reflect reality? All right, 60-second diagnosis. Grab last year's deck page and this year's renewal. First, look at the rating language. Look for something that says like exposure. In the renewal, let's look at the rate change language. If the renewal mentions state-approved rate filing or class-wide increase, if you see the word audible anywhere near, and that means that the final price you see is not really the final price until after the audit's done. Confirm the estimated sales or exposure. Confirm your actual numbers, and make sure you're not getting shaken down because the estimate was off. If you want help with this, here's what you do. Send us your renewal and last year's deck page, and we'll do a sanity check for you. Free. No push, no sales, no pressure. Getting a quote from us is easy. You can reach us online, by phone, by email or text. And if you prefer to have a conversation in person, we'd love to schedule an appointment with you.